Hey guys, hi, welcome back to my channel, Ella Dishes It Out. Today I'm going to be making some delicious mini bundt cakes with this pan right here. I have 4 of these and this little mini bundt pan right here. So I'm going to be doing a real simple recipe using a cake mix. So I've got this Betty Crocker chocolate super moist cake mix, and also I added into that a small 8-ounce box of pudding, chocolate pudding, to make it super moist. So to the cake, you add 1 1/2 cups of water. Let me show you the cake here. 1 1/2 cups of water. You add 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and you're going to add 3 eggs. So I'm going to go get the eggs, and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. All right, so I'm getting ready to add my eggs. That's 1, and I use these fresh eggs that are the brown eggs. They're not caged, because I just feel like they're healthier for you. They have a brighter, more yellow color to them. So I think these eggs are the best bomb diggity. All right, so we're going to stir all this up. Add my 3 eggs. Slowly stir this up. Now you could use a mixer if you wanted to, but I'm not going to use a mixer. This is just a real simple recipe. And you're going to put them in your pan, and you're going to bake it, let's see, bake for, I'll say probably maybe 14 to 15 minutes on 375 degrees, 350 degrees. You just have to watch it. You stick a toothpick in the middle. Stick a toothpick, it's a mouthful, in the middle to test for doneness. The toothpick comes out clean, then you know it's ready. So, I mean, you could use I got a lot of lumps in this, so I may pull out my mixer. See all those lumps? I think I'm gonna pull out my mixer, so hold on. Okay, I pulled out my mixer and also put my apron on. You guys like my apron? I started collecting these aprons. They're so cute. So I've got quite a few of them collected right now. So I'm gonna turn this on medium speed. Just let me get this in the camera. Just go around. Okay, that looks pretty good right there. That's when it gets messy, when you're trying to clean off these little deals. That's when it gets messy. I'm just going to eject this into the sink. Okay, that was a little bit hard to eject, but I was able to do it. So now I've got to grease my little pan, so I'll be back after they're greased. Okay, so I got all my pans greased. See? Got them all greased. Now I'm going to pour the batter in there. And I use this Crisco shortening, butter shortening. And it works really well. It stores in the refrigerator very well. I'm going to take this, I use this glove because I hate getting my fingers yucky. I think you guys recall me saying that a while back. So I'm going to start with this bundt pan. Got it greased. I'm just going to pour some batter in there. Just go around. And don't overfill it because it's going to spill over. You don't want to overfill it. Fill it about 3/4 of the way. Okay. And then I'm just going to let it sit for a minute before I put it in the oven. I want it to flatten out. You just shake it a little bit, let it flatten out for you, even out in the pan. that one aside. Do the next one. Lord, please let these things come out this pan good. 3/4 way full. I might not even get 4 of them. That's good enough. Okay, one more. Just fill it up. 3/4 way full. Shake it, shake it, shake it, but just don't break it. A little bit more. I think I got enough left for one more cake. So I thought I was gonna be able to do 4, but nope, just 3. Well, 3 of these shaped ones, and 4, and the 4th one is that Bundt pan shaped one. Pour the rest of the batter in here. And these will make really nice gifts, or if you want to start selling them, you can start selling them at church, you know, or as a fundraiser project. I have these little gift boxes I'm going to show you because I'm going to be giving these away. I'm going to be gifting these cakes because I don't eat sweets that much. And though I love chocolate cake, I'll probably take a bite of one of them. That'll be an it for me. And just shake that until it settles. So I'm gonna go ahead and heat my oven up. I'll put another, I'm gonna make a yellow Bundt cake, lemon cake, but it's gonna be in a Bundt pan, my big Bundt pan. I'll do that later on today. And I'll put the remaining inside of this one. So I have a lemon Bundt cake as well. Okay, I'll come back when we're ready, when these come out of the oven, okay? Okay, I've got my handy dandy mixer here. So we're just gonna start mixing. Mix it well together. You get all the little pieces mixed together. Butter and cream cheese. Okay, it's coming up the side, so I'm gonna just scrape from down on the side, going up the side, I should say. Scrape that off the sides. Okay, we're gonna turn it back on. It's on the lowest speed setting on my handheld mixer. Okay, we're gonna turn that off. We're gonna start adding our powdered sugar. This recipe calls for 2 cups of powdered sugar, but I'm just gonna add it in slowly. Powdered sugar. I'm gonna add some in right here. Then I'm gonna go ahead and whip that up. Whip that in. Got to add our vanilla extract. 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract to give it some flavor. gonna add some more sugar. Okay, we'll come back. We'll come back when I'm done adding the sugar. Okay, we're ready to put the frosting on our bundt cake. So I already put it in this pastry thing already. So this is my first time doing this, guys, so bear with me and watch me do this. I don't even know what I'm doing. I've never tried this before. I don't know if it's gonna work. We shall see. Let's try to squeeze it down. I guess I don't need that tip on there. See, it's coming out the top. This is a disaster. I guess I'm supposed to squeeze it like that. I'm getting the hang of it. Twist. Maybe I'm supposed to twist it. The icing is coming out of the top. Well, I guess it's not too bad for my first try. The cake tastes delicious. My granddaughter tasted it last night. She doesn't even like chocolate cake, but she loved this bundt cake. It was so moist because we put the pudding in it. So there you have it. It's kind of funny looking, but hey, I tried. Let's try this next one. I might try something different design on this one. Maybe something like that. That's kind of cute. Like that one? That's better, huh? And one last one. I'll do something similar to that. I don't know if I can fix this middle part. Maybe just put a big thing right there. See, I'm already screwing up. Like I said, this is my first time ever trying something like this. I don't usually bake cakes. I got to put a big dollop in the middle. There you go. Big dollop in the middle of this one too. All right. And maybe a big dollop in the middle of this one. So I can use all this pastry, all this frosting up. That tip fell off in there. Put another line right here since I have messed that one up. Let's see if I can go around in a circle. Let's use the rest of it up. Getting the hang of it. A little bit more there. Fix that part. My dog is going crazy, y'all. I don't know what's wrong with her today. But there you have it. Bundt cake. Nothing Bundt cake hack. Thank you guys for tuning in to Ella Dishes It Out. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.